Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube AdSense error. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is head over to your settings app. And once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on general. Now once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage. And now once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the YouTube app and then tap on it. Now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on the offload app option, which lets you reset the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. If that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and once you're inside there, tap on the search bar and type in YouTube, and then tap on the app to check if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.